Let's learn how to make app icons bigger on iPhone iOS 18. Finally, with iOS 18, Apple add a new feature that you can make your app's icon bigger, and that can make your screen to become a more cleaner, so stay till the end to learn how to do it. The first thing you need to do it to check is iOS 18 enabled on your iPhone. If is not, you can't make app icons bigger, so because of that, go on your settings apps. Then scroll a little down until you see a general option, and when you see, go on it. After that, click on option called Software Update, and you can see if on this page write iOS 17.5.1. That means you don't have iOS 18. But don't worry, I have tutorial on my channel to download iOS 18. I will leave link in description of this video, so go to watch it and download new software iOS 18. When you download it, go to long press on any app you want on your screen. That will open Editing tool, and you need to click on Edit button in top left corner on the screen. Now on this pop-up menu you can see two options, Add Widget and Customize, and you need to go on second one, Customize. After that, iPhone shows you another pop-up menu, and you can see a small and large section, and you just need to click on Large option, and that's it. You are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.